We definitely. Let me start with Mahip.
Sure.
Tell me, what's the sexiest outfit for a woman? A sari, a little black dress, a gown, a shirt, a top?
By far, undisputed, definitely a sari. I think women look stunning and sexy in a sari, and you just have to look at Bollywood. If you look at Dimple in Sagar, or my sister-in-law, who just was the ultimate in saris,
Absolutely.
and Rekha in Silsila. I mean, black dress, gowns, nothing beats a sari.
Lovely. I think I couldn't agree more with you because we're sitting in a city actually, which where most of the people adorn themselves in sari. It's royalty and it's
Yes.
extremely elegant.
It's too
So
elegant.
yes.
Yeah.
So let's hear from Seema. You're a designer yourself.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite designer and why?
So, internationally, I'm going to tell you, it's Eli Saab because his work is just exquisite and his attention to detail, his every piece is like a work of art. So, you must look up Eli Saab.
Yes.
But I think amongst us, I mean, there's so many talented designers. I mean, even Manish Malhotra, dear friend, his stuff is gorgeous. I'm still uh, pulling his leg about giving me one of his saris. Hopefully, it'll be arriving soon. But yeah, when you talk about saris, you immediately think of Manish Malhotra, Yash Chopra films, and so I think that for amongst the Indian designers, it would have to be Manish.
Great. I think I would of course agree with that too because we've got Manish Malhotra doing fantastic stuff. We are also the fashion edit actually is encouraging a lot of young and fresh talented designers.
Yeah.
We want a lot of new talent coming up.
They're so talented. I mean, today, one out of three girls is a designer.
Absolutely.
And I mean, sometimes I see their stuff, they are bloody brilliant. They're
Yes.
really brilliant.
So any recommendations on any of your favorite upcoming designers?
Upcoming designers, I don't know if he's upcoming. I mean, he's been around for a while, but Dhruv Kapoor,
Oh yes.
Oh my God.
His shirts
I mean, his stuff is really,
is really
nice.
good. Yeah.
Top of my head.
So great, Neelam. Let me
Yeah.
ask you. You've been quite a rage in the 80s and still going strong. Everybody wants you to come back, make a comeback, and you're looking as gorgeous as ever.
Thank you.
So you're also a successful jewelry designer. Your tip on accessorizing for all the women out there?
Okay, my tip normally would be less is more, but as you can see today, I'm like, I'm, it's like overflowing the jewels. Yeah, I believe in simplicity, and I like things to be like very classic, simple designs, and jewelry has to be evergreen. I mean, I personally don't like those fancy, intricate designs. I like everything, simple lines, classic, important stones. Yeah,
So clean.
clean. Yeah.
Great. So coming back to Bhavna. So you started Love Gen. I would rate that as our Indian Zara. That's how I would call
My
it.
God, that's the best compliment.
What,
ever.
according to you, is your favorite casual look?
My favorite casual look is jeans and a white t-shirt. I swear by it, or a white shirt. I just feel I'm in a white shirt here also with a
Oh, you
long
look
skirt
gorgeous,
today.
absolutely.
And these are Neelam's jewels. I just promote them.
Oh, beautiful. You all look
We're
gorgeous.
dripping in jewels.
Simple and classic.
I'll ask you another one. One fashion accessory you never leave the city without.
My mask.
Will be. I'll come to see you.
COVID time.
It has become a
Yeah.
fashion accessory.
Other than the mask.
Other than the mask, a fashion accessory would be a nice handbag, which I can carry.
What's your
in the day or
favorite
night.
handbag? One handbag you can't do without.
So I got this a couple of years back a Balenciaga graffiti small bag it is, but it's a shoulder bag. Like you just hang it on the shoulder. I find it very comfortable and easy to match it with things and carry it around.
Is it yours?
Yes, it has been stolen by the girls. Yeah.
Why do it's Ananya's?
You know what? Now Ananya takes all my things and wears them, and they think I'm taking hers. It's the other way around.
It's the other way. Actually, I did have a question to ask you. how would you imagine? I mean, I would say the dressing, yours versus your 22-year-old.
I feel like laughing, sorry.
Please, we'd love to hear that.
I'd love to answer some of these for her.
But you know what? I would love to say that we kind of still end up dressing similar. No, I won't, because when I'm leaving the house, I'm checked by them. Mom, you can't be wearing that. And I do the same to them. Yeah.
Okay, so
No, but I think jeans, shirts, t-shirts, track pants,
Yeah.
denim jackets is something any age can wear. And it looks good on all age groups.
so these are the must-haves in your wardrobe.
Yes, yeah.
Right. Neelam, again, coming to you. What's your 2021 skincare resolution?
Skincare resolution. Listen, it can't change year by year. I mean, it changes according to your age, but I think it would be the same, you know. Keep your cleansing, moisturizing, and yeah, a cream for puffy eyes now.
But what about
Watching
an
TV a
Indian,
lot.
an Indian skincare company that you would swear by?
Indian.
Homegrown, maybe?
You know, there are lots of these new companies and brands that have come up, like startup companies, who do a lot of these vegan, natural.
That's right.
Yeah. There's one called Juicy something. Juicy.
Chemistry.
Juicy organic. or
Juicy.
something.
Juicy chemistry. or
Juicy,
something.
yes, you're right.
They're very, very good.
Oh, great. So we
Yeah.
will look to having them on board too with us. Yes. What's the one thing in your wardrobe that can jazz up your outfit? Is it a headgear, a brooch, or scarf?
I think a brooch, for sure.
Is it?
A crown, a tiara.
Tiara. With diamonds, Neelam's jewels.
I have to ask you this. Do you think a nose ring looks cool and is an accessory to watch out for and to promote?
Why just a nose ring? I mean, Indian women, our history go back to with jewelry, goes back to the Maharajas and Maharanis. And we Indian women wear jewelry on our toes, on our anklets, on our belts, on our hair. Wherever we can find jewelry, we put it on. So, and I think this is us, and this is our forte as women, Indian women. We carry it off so well. So, not just a nose ring. I'd say anything and everything.
So we'll make sure that we have all of this on the
Yes.
TFE website for sure. Leopard print, vulgar or no?
No, it's just how you carry it off. I've got a lot of leopards.
Listen,
Tons.
leopard print
Yeah.
is I think a classic. It never goes out. It
It's
just
just- I
it
love
depends
it.
on
Is
the way
it?
you carry it off.
Yeah.
I've just got a full jumpsuit leopard.
Yeah, leopard print is like
And
You have to be able to, basically carry it off well. If
You have to own any outfit.
Yeah.
Own-
We have a
yes.
picture of
Quite
Neelam and
frankly.
me together in the leopard, both of us.
Yeah. I
I
like
remember
it. I
that.
think it's very wearable
Katy
and
Perry.
very classic.
Yeah.
It's sort of,
and it's hot.
yeah, and it
Yeah.
just goes with everything.
you're fantastic. I love her clothes myself, with Seema's. I think I have a lot of things in my wardrobe. I like the bling.
Yeah.
And then, of course, leopard print is also another print which is, not everybody can carry it off.
You
I
know,
would say that.
yeah, I mean, it depends on how you carry it off. I mean, too much of it, obviously, you look mad. But leopard print is like having black or white in your wardrobe. I mean, you have to
Yeah.
have something in leopard print. Yeah.
Great. Okay. Botox or fillers? Against it or for it?
Totally for it.
Thank
Whatever
you.
rocks,
I was like, uh-oh.
no, I mean, whatever rocks your boat, whatever gives you confidence, whatever makes you happy. I mean, as it is, women today in social media, we've become so insecure, and we're told how we have to look in a certain way. We have to be thin in a certain way. Bloody own it. And if it's going to keep you happy, do it, of course. And everyone's going to criticize you any which
Anyways.
way. So just block it out.
Tell me, can you suggest a place to go to for Botox and fillers? Maybe someone you recommend.
In Bombay?
Yes, in Bombay or anywhere in India.
Okay, well, there's Ageless Clinic, there's Dr. Rickson, there's Jayashree, I've never gone to, but I heard she's very good. Bombay, there's multiple. It's,
It's like
Bollywood.
saying,
I mean, you have to.
it's like it's now become like having a salon at every.
yeah.
Blog has a
Yeah.
doctor now.
I mean, it's available. Why not use it? You color
Use
your
it.
hair to look good.
Absolutely. No, I think, you know what? The Fashion Edit is also has tied up with nutritionists, skin experts.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I would love to have somebody. We can actually connect them to the tier one and tier two and tier three cities. So women are very unaware, and that was the whole idea. So yes, we'll take your recommendation on
Yeah,
that.
go for it.
Clean-shaven men or bearded? What do you think looks better?
Depends, both.
What's your preference?
You're
thinking so much.
Is it a PhD? Yeah.
the beard.
For God's sake.
I think beard.
Can you name one celebrity?
I thought of someone where with a beard. Yeah, 1 minute.
I know who you were thinking.
I can't.
No.
No.
Bhavna, for God's sake.
I forgot.
There's
I'm
Brad
blank on
Pitt,
this.
there's
She's
that
blank.
Michael Moore.
She's
What is his Monroe? What's his name?
Michelle Monroe. no?
He's this divine.
Yeah.
No, wait. I'll go for...
Bhavna's feeling shy.
No. I'm feeling a little awkward because you know what? I just feel like if my daughters are watching this show, they always like... Because I just thought of a very cute, clean-shaven guy. But he's really young.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's okay.
You can admire him.
Don't worry, you're
Oh,
a babe.
shit. Timothy Charlotte, how do you pronounce his?
Look at that.
Oh,
We've got.
I got a
Use
reaction.
an
I have no clue.
Yeah. He is so cute, but he's too young. But he's very cute.
Very cute.
Yeah, very.
Everyone's
Great.
asking you to have an affair.
Okay, and Vijay Deverakonda.
Ah,
Yeah, I think he's hot.
great.
Yeah.
Your favorite destination to shop in India?
In India. I don't know. I mean, I go to my friends. I'll go to Seema to pick up stuff. I'll go to Nandi to pick up stuff. I go to Surili to pick up stuff. I'm wearing a Surili.
Yes,
Goel
I can
skirt
see
right
that.
now.
In fact, we worked with Surili too.
Yeah. I mean, I think you work with all of
All of you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
At some point.
Absolutely.
In
Been
fact,
a while.
You know, you were talking about leopard. I nearly wore this sequin leopard jacket today, which I bought from Seema 3 years ago.
Not 3, Bhavna, it's been at least 6. Double
Sorry.
it.
Double.
Sorry, 6 years ago, but I just didn't find pants that fit me anymore that match with that. That's why I didn't wear it.
So we'll look forward to having you with us, Seema, your brand, with the TFV soon.
I look forward to
I
it.
am really excited about it. An Indian man who you think is fashionable and an Indian woman who you think is fashionable.
Indian woman, I would say, I mean, there are so many. The top of my head, I can think of Malaika, I can think of Deepika Padukone.
Wow.
She's really Anushka Sharma. Of late,
love
I've been
Anushka,
seeing some
yeah.
of her looks, and they are just too hot and elegant at the same time. You know, it's okay to look. You can look hot and whatever, but to look elegant along with it is not an easy job.
That's
And
true.
an Indian man, well-dressed Indian man, fashionable Indian man. You know, when I think of fashion, Bobby Deol comes to my mind. I guess because I know him and I know he's so with it and I know he's so on the ball with fashion that I think of him. And I mean, I've been to his closet. It's, if I can say beep, insane. Insane.
Really?
Yeah, insane.
Okay, great. That sounds great. Let's ask you your hottest style moment.
My hottest. My style of dressing is not hot. I don't know. Hot. I think when we were shooting for Fabulous Lives, the opening shot, where I'm wearing this short.
Oh God,
Oh, yeah.
how much
short
you
dress,
craved.
This short dress with the high boots. I think for me that was possibly one of the hottest outfits that I've worn.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. I can
And
vouch
do you
for that.
recommend everyone to go out there and experiment because a lot of people don't experiment?
Yeah, if you're comfortable. Had I just worn that with high heels, no, I wouldn't have been
You're right.
comfortable. You know, I covered my legs, so it looked a little, you know.
Covered.
I
That's-
felt, yeah, and I felt comfortable.
Yeah.
So you've got to be comfortable in whatever you wear.
So
And-
that sounds like me. I'm rather uncomfortable but in shorter dresses because half the time you are thinking, so you've got to be very, very comfortable
Yeah.
where whatever you
yeah,
sport.
yeah.
And it should look elegant, that's
Yeah.
right. So yeah, that's great. Maheep, what's your favorite brand? Or let me put it this way, your favorite brand who you think does fashion well? Indian.
Indian, you know what? It's like narrowing it down. And in a wardrobe, you'll have your jeans, you'll have your gowns, you'll have your dresses. You can't ask me one. It's not possible. I will oscillate. I've seen Abu Sandeep, Manish. I go to Seema a lot. Seema
I love her
knows,
stuff, yeah.
Shania's and mine, what we like. So last minute I can call her up. You know what? We're a talented lot. Our karigars are phenomenal. You know, our work is just exceptional, and I don't think they get credit enough. But when you go abroad and you see double the price, triple the price, and like, look in, and it's made in India. You
Yes.
know?
Yeah.
So
That's true.
It's I can't name one. It's not possible.
Any recommendations for the website?
Seema
For
Khan.
instance, yes, of course, she's always there.
Yeah,
But
Seema.
I want to understand that, of course, you're talking about karigars. Do you think it'll be great to have an artisan's corner
Yeah.
where we can have artisans, actually displaying, because they don't get an opportunity. We are a website where we are trying to not just promote young and talented designer, we also have a foundation where we're supporting women entrepreneurs amongst the underprivileged. So that's
Really?
something where we
Really
tie up.
amazing.
That's amazing.
So we tie up with women achievers and they give their pre-loved clothes. And we put it up and that goes out. And of course the designers also showcase maybe a line of their masks or some accessories, and whatever proceeds come from there, we donate it for the cause. So that's something
That's
which we're doing.
amazing.
Very nice.
Yeah. Indian clothes are, like when you go into the Banarsis or the Kanjivarams or the Zari work, these are timeless. I've got my grandmother's
exactly.
sarees,
So one
which I-
timeless classic that you own. Or
Many.
One.
I wore my grandmother's stuff, my
One
sangeet,
favorite.
I wore, or my pasa, my jewelry, my
Clothes.
pasa, my mom's wedding reception sari.
And that is
It's-
Kanjivaram or a
No, it's a
Banarsi.
full real zari gold sari. I've never worn it. It's unbelievable.
Wow. So yes, so these heritage pieces are something that you must have in the wardrobe for sure.
100%.
Dig them out.
Dig them out. Your personal fashion guru.
Fashion guru.
Your Guruji.
Your guru.
I don't really have
No.
a personal fashion guru as such. I just like, I like things. I would like someone wearing something or someone styled in a certain way and pick things. And then, it has to suit your body and
Body.
it has to suit your style. So I don't have any fashion guru. But yeah, I pick things from a lot of people.
I think
And
that's
ideas.
amazing because that's self-confidence. So you need to be comfortable in your own
You have to
skin.
be comfortable. It's the most
That's
important.
right. Great. So one fashion faux pas that most Indian women make.
This is something that I always notice is they over accessorize. It's like even when you sometimes, and most times you go to weddings, and even when you're wearing Indian clothes, they're wearing this and they're wearing this and they're wearing this on their head, and the outfit you can't see anything because it's gold from here to here, the dupatta is gold. You're confused. You're looking at like what's going on. So like Neelam said, less is more. It's always nice to concentrate on that one element, and I think that women in India think that by putting it all together, it somehow makes them look more glamorous and probably more dressed up, but that's not the case. You can actually look really dressed up wearing something simple with, either you do this or you do this. You can't do it from head to toe.
That's true.
Yeah.
No, I think
Over accessorizing, I would say.
So, Mahib, you're what is style? Oh, my son. I look amazing. And
She looked amazing and we all had a blast.
Yeah.
That was a blast that night. But you know what? I can pull out that wedding outfit, wedding pictures of mine, and I feel that. Do I blow my own trumpet? I look timeless. Because I had my, my old jewelry that you can still wear now, and I didn't look like, these fashionable brides. I looked timeless, and I was very happy with the way I looked, and I can look back and be pleased with it. And say, oh, show my children. Your mom looks freaking amazing.
Neelam, comfort or fashion?
Sorry. Sorry, I can't kill myself anymore.
Anymore.
Those days are gone. Okay? For me, first is.
Yes. I'm sure most people
And I'm
will
dying in
agree
my
with
heels right now.
But it goes kind of hand in hand because you can't look fashionable and you can't carry off an outfit if you're uncomfortable.
That's
So
true.
the thing is, it just looks sloppy.
Yeah.
You have to be comfortable to carry off and look fashionable.
And we have a lot of comfortable clothing on the fashion tip. So yes, we look forward to that. And I actually wanted to ask you one question because you do love black, if I'm not wrong. If not black, if not black, what's your next favorite evening color?
Red.
What about you, Mahi?
I love black.
No, if not
No.
black.
Really?
So you have to give another color other than black.
Can I choose red too?
Red.
I
Absolutely.
love red.
Absolutely.
Red is my
How about you?
Deep red, like deep red. I love it. I am a big fan of blues, like the midnight blues. I love those. The hues of the dark.
So these are my
Hues
favorite
of the
colors too,
dark.
you know, for the evening.
I do.
I think other than black. And honestly, I
Midnight
feel I
and
stopped
rose.
doing black in the
Listen,
evening
I need
as
to-
much. Of course, this is a lot of bling which looks lovely. But otherwise a plain black.
It's safe.
I've got,
Yeah,
got
it's
my
safe.
water bottle. My-
Seema, I wanted to ask you, what according to you is the best way to hide the extra pounds on your belly? How do we conceal it?
Okay. You have to take the focus away from there. Obviously, you don't wear something that's too fitted that shows the lines, but I think if you show skin on top, it kind of deflects from the belly. So, like people who have like a mid, which most Indian women have,
Yes.
and as you age, it comes, you know, you can't help it. I think that it's time to show the collarbones and the shoulders.
Lovely.
Yeah.
That's a great tip actually, and much needed because most people don't know how
Yeah,
to.
because it elongates you,
Yes.
right? You need to show your neck and your collarbones and your shoulders. And
Right.
that kind of takes away from there.
Great. Bhavna, what kind of hair color looks good on Indian women? Is it black, colored, streaked?
I think darker.
Darker colors and not light colors. You do find a lot of people.
I mean, I myself experimented with very light hair during the show, and I actually, when I saw it, I regretted it. I'm going to go back to my dark hair color.
Dark hair
Yeah, and we
color.
were discussing that this evening, in fact.
Yeah.
It's so strange, yeah.
But I have to say that I love the idea of a few lowlights because you
Yeah,
know
few.
because it adds that a little bit of character and movement to the hair.
But
So-
Yeah, you need
Yeah.
the.
you need that a
that
little,
bit of highlight.
Unless you're going stark, like stark suits hurts, either that or that. Yeah. But
Yeah, few
I think
highlights is nice.
the low lights,
But I think
highlights.
it's low
But
lights.
darker
Low
is
lights,
better.
I feel
That's a great tip again for Indian women because most Indian women make this mistake by actually making it very light colored,
light,
and that spoils it. It doesn't look elegant. So
that's
thanks.
because most women, Indian hair has a red undertone.
Right.
So the thing is, if you don't get that color, it's a very tricky process to get it to that point. Otherwise, it turns orangey red. So you
Right.
actually have to. I mean, a color technician knows that. I know it because of years, and I like, understanding these things. So that's the problem with Indian hair.
And also, it depends on your skin tone.
Skin tone.
Yes.
Yeah,
Skin
depending on
tone.
your skin tone, what sort of, whether it's, a little more reddish looks nice on you or more blonde. I think it all depends on your.
Just very light hair, I feel, just doesn't. Very,
Yeah.
very
It
light
doesn't,
hair.
yes,
That's the only thing.
absolutely.
Otherwise, you can experiment with the
So I
other
think
tones.
a recommendation from you all would be keep it dark.
Dark, but subtle.
But subtle.
Keep it
yes.
subtle, yeah.
Yeah.
What about your favorite upcoming Indian brand? I'd love to hear from you.
Love Jen, for sure.
Absolutely, we
Yeah,
all
Love
step.
Jen.
Love Jen all the way.
I wear Love Gel all the time.
See,
Great.
it's affordable, it's wearable, like something you can repeat again and again. You're dead
Tell me,
excited.
are you looking at? Are you open to showcasing it on an e-commerce site?
Yeah, we are actually
You
starting
actually-
our own.
But if you do that, but in any other e-commerce site that will be open
so, yeah,
to?
so we are going to be available on Myntra as well. See,
Okay.
ours is a very, very affordable.
I know,
brand.
I understand,
Yeah.
yes.
So it cannot really be on luxury bottles.
It cannot be.
Yeah, it has to be on bottles where there's a lot of people coming to buy.
Lovely.
We're looking at volumes.
Yes, I know. We've worked together and I loved your stuff and we did very well in
And you did very
Ahmedabad.
well.
And you don't mind, you can buy like 4, 5, 6
Absolutely.
pieces without
Absolutely.
even blinking an eye.
Absolutely. One thing I'll ask you, the last question, I just wanted it to be fun. So I want you to advise to everybody what is it, or your personal thing. What do you carry in your suitcase? A must in your suitcase before going for a holiday.
A couple of things you have to carry. You can't narrow it down to one.
Okay, two.
No. Toothbrush and a sunblock.
Sunblock for sure.
So these are
I don't go
essentials.
anywhere without my
These are
sunblock.
essentials.
Yeah.
This you will have to
in your
carry.
bathroom.
But I'm talking about some things
Like,
which may be not essential.
or not essential.
Not essential.
My hair too, for sure.
Maybe a clutch bag. You know, if you're going on a beach holiday and if you decide to go out for, dinner, you need a clutch bag, like a formal.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case.
It happens very often when you go for a beach holiday thinking you will not step out and you do end up stepping out.
Yeah, yeah.
So then you must, that's a great advice. What about you, Mahip?
I don't know. I always end up overpacking. And my husband
We saw that
Yeah, I'm always
on
doing
Bollywood Wives.
this. Yeah, you saw it, right?
I remember
I have
that.
a problem. So if you're asking for one, I don't know what to say. I take 10 pairs of everything because I feel, oh my God.
How did you pack for Jodhpur this time?
Big
Suitcase and she just threw
Yeah.
things in there.
Like she's got one pair of jeans, I've got like 3.
You've got 3 pairs.
And then she's here just for a night.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just for one night.
but just in case. I can't stand that, oh my God.
I think
How about
But I think if you're going, if you're going to go somewhere and you're allowed to pack 2 things, you can't have makeup, you can't have anything else. You might as well make your hair look good, na? Half the
and
battle one.
Half the
Your hair,
battle
no
one.
makeup.
I think a black dress which I
Okay,
can wear in
great.
the day and in the evening. You know, there's one in between kind
Got
of black
it, yes.
dresses and a denim jacket.
It looks cool. Absolutely.
Yeah, a denim
What
jacket.
toilet
Denim
shoes you're
jacket,
doing?
yes.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a very good one.
Oh, no essentials.
Non-essential.
And you don't need in my hair.
The toothbrush episode reminds me of the lip exfoliation.
Yeah.
Very important.
That's something I actually picked on as a tip for myself. I said it's great to exfoliate your
Yeah.
lips.
And especially when you're putting dark colors and you do it, your lips actually swell a bit, so it looks like.
So
your
that's
mouth
another
is totally
fashion tip
full.
actually for everyone.
Yeah.
That exfoliate your lips with your toothbrush. So yes.
I have a confession. I tried it. I brushed it too hard.
Yeah, but then it swells, so it looks like a natural lip
Seema,
job.
I removed the top layer of my skin.
But I didn't tell you to. It's supposed to be lightly done, elegantly done, not like that.
So now, of course, we'll wrap up. And before I wrap up, I wanted to ask you one question. You've worked with us before.
Yes.
What's been your experience?
It was a fantastic experience. I mean, I remember I remember discussing it with these girls only this afternoon, that how we were booked to go back to Bombay on a 8 p.m. flight, and we changed it to 5 p.m. because we were sold out by 5 p.m.
Yes.
So it just sums it
Great.
all. Yeah, it was great.
It was a pleasure
Absolutely-
having you with
yeah,
us. And at that time also, we had done something for charity.
Yes. we
And
did.
it was brilliant.
Yeah, it was brilliant.
We
yes.
really had a good time.
So a part proceeds of the
Yes, yes,
sale had gone
yes.
towards charity.
Yes.
No, it was fantastic.
You did it in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Yes. We done it
was very
together.
well organized. I mean, you had you understood the brand. You called the right kind of crowd to come and shop for the brand. I think that was very important, and it worked beautifully.
Great. Thank you so much. I think we strive for excellence, and we would continue to doing that.
I'm
And
sure you will.
we see ourselves as our vision is to be the #1 brand, the website e-commerce site in
And
the
you've done a
country.
fabulous job.
Yeah, you've done a
Yes.
fabulous
Amazing.
job.
I mean, this whole setup today, it was
It's really great, I'm sure.
Really.
You have an
Thank
eye
you.
for it.
Thank
And you know what I like with your, even though it's called the fashion edit, it's not just fashion. It's like the way you're explaining, it's about a complete woman. It's not just the clothes
Just
and
imagine,
the
yes, yes.
accessories.
And the fact that you're empowering women.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, for me, that tops it all.
and your
Thank you.
skin and your hair and your nutrition, fitness. There's so many other things.
Yes.
Just not clothes and shoes.
Yeah, no
and
one's done this
bags.
before.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I'm so glad, and we
Yeah.
really look forward to doing a lot of hard work. Actually, there's a lot of
I'm
hard
sure
work.
it, I mean,
Yeah.
it shows.
And how about you, Seema? We worked together.
Yes, we have. I mean, what can I say? It was just amazing. I mean, more than anything, I think it was comfortable. We felt kind of at home, and the people that you know, of course, my stuff was sold out. But other than that, you know, it was just a lovely experience, and yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to doing many more with you.
Loved having you with us, and I'm very happy to have you all four here with us too.
It's a pleasure.
And Neelam, of course, we've worked with you and Maheep too.
Yeah,
It's
we
been a
did
pleasure.
We did it together.
You guys did it together.
Yeah.
And I think it is fantastic, and I really look forward to the curations because I think that's something which I love. E-commerce is something which we are, of course, launching. But at the same time, I love doing the curations because of the personal interaction that you have with people.
I love that.
I love that.
I love
That's so
that.
important.
That's what
I love it.
actually gets me going.
It's so
Likewise.
important, and you understand the brand. Like Bhavna said, you know what kind of clients to pull in, what brand is for which clientele. You understand that really well, which is very important when you're doing an exhibition or you're doing like this website, this portal. It's very understand, you know, to your target audience.
That's
And
right.
have those kind of brands.
And I remember I dumped my own stall and I was shopping. We were shopping.
Yeah.
We were shopping because everything was really nice.
Oh,
It was
great.
really amazing.
So thank you so much.
Thank
you.
you so much.
And we're really looking forward, of course, to the launch in the evening. We're very
Yes,
excited
really
about
excited.
it.
Thank you.
And it's a pleasure having you all four with us. It's great vibes. That's what I say.
Thanks for having
Thank
us.
you.
Thank you.
We'll take a quick picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I think I'll have Diksha quickly ask you some questions on website if
Yeah, sure.
yeah, we will.
You guys finish?
5 minutes?
Take a quick-
Yeah. Come.